Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically have a timer set on your Xbox Series X. So when you're inactive, it will turn off your console. Now to do this on the home screen here, let's go up to the top. Let's go to Settings, go to General, and then go to the right and go to Power Options. Then choose your power plan. And then go over to Customize Power Options. And the first option will be turn off after 1 hour of inactivity, I believe. Then you can choose the amount of time. So you have 10 minutes as the least. And then you can go all the way up to about 6 hours of inactivity. And then you have do not turn off automatically right here. So I think 1 hour is a good time limit for me. And then after that, we have turn off after watching videos. So the first one will be like for video games. Second one will be like music or videos or anything like that. Go ahead and look at those options and decide what you want to go ahead and have on. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.